Hello grade 3, how are you? Mathematics department from New Generation Language School wish you a happy day. Today we are gonna to talk about groups and multiplication. Let's start. Let's see some example. Here I have some groups and each group has some objects. Let's see how many groups here and how many objects. How many groups are there, grade 3?
3 groups.
And how many objects are there?
4 objects.
Yes, so I have 3 groups of 4. Let's see another example. I here have some groups also. I have 2 groups and each group has some object. How many groups are there?
2 groups.
And how many objects are there in each group?
6.
So I have 2 groups of 6. 2 groups of 6. Let's see another example. Here I'll draw some groups. These circles means groups. And I will put some objects inside each group. How many groups are there?
4 groups.
And how many objects in each group?
3 objects.
So I have 4 groups of 3. 4 groups of 3. If we talk about multiplication, we will use letter X as a symbol, which means times. Multiplication means the total of equal sized groups. To express about multiplication or to talk about multiplication, we can use some keywords, which are multiply, lots of, groups of, repeated addition, array, times, product, and equal groups. Let's solve some multiplication problems using letter X to express multiplication. Multiplication here, I use number of groups to multiply by how many objects in these groups. If I have 4 times 3 as example, I have 4 groups of 3. I have 4 groups of 3. So I will draw 4 groups or 4 circles. To express groups, I draw circles and put 3 objects in each circle or each group. I will put 3 stars in each group to express the object. So here I have 4 groups of 3 stars. 4 times 3 equal what? I can use multiply or repeated addition to calculate the result. So 4 times 3 equal 12. Let's see another way to express about 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. If I say 3 times 4, here I have 3 groups of 4 objects. 3 groups of 4 objects. So I can draw 3 groups or 3 circles to express the groups and put 4 objects in each group or draw 4 objects in each groups. I have 3 groups or 3 circles and I will put 4 stars of each group. To find the product, I can use multiplication or repeated addition. 3 times 4 also equal 12. 4 times 3 as the meaning or as the result of 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equal 12 and 4 times 3 also equal 12. Here I use special property, which means commutative property. Okay, grade 3, I have finished my lesson today. Send me your homework quickly. Thank you and goodbye.